How to create pattern designs like this in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the brush tool in the tools panel, set the colour to black, set the brush, and I'm going to go for hard round and vary it 47, 20, etc. Go to view menu and pattern preview. Make certain that's on, so now you can create patterns in all kinds of ways. Click on the document and then hold down the shift key and then click somewhere else, and that will create a nice straight line as long as the shift key is held down. Then you can actually add another line from that position there. Again, click somewhere else and it will draw another line, a straight line, and then you can go somewhere else, again still holding down the shift, and draw another line, and you can repeat that multiple times. Simply do that. If you want to start somewhere else, just release the shift key, don't hold that down, and then again click on the document and then hold down the shift key and then reposition and start again, and you can then add another line, and you just keep holding down the shift key and it will always be a straight line, and then release. How to modify the brush size? Well, you can go up here, top left, and you can modify the size here, 14, 19, etc. You can also go to brush settings and you can see exactly the same there. You can modify the size there, set it to 20 or 30, etc. Also, you can hold down the Alter option key and right click and you'll get this. Personally, that's the best way. So just resize it here and set it, say, to 15, and now continue to work with your brush. Again, hold down the shift once you've clicked the document and it will draw another straight line. And it doesn't have to be up there. Again, release it and you can go from here to here. Just create all kinds of different designs, and you can always just undo if you're not happy with the design. You don't have to create these sort of like spiral designs. You could of course create single lines. Click and then hold down the shift and click again elsewhere. And you can repeat that. Again, click and again click there, so you get another line. Again, always remember to release, unless if you don't, it will end up just continuing with another straight line. You can continue to add lines maybe in between the spaces. You can look here and see a nice gap there. Or just click there and again hold down the shift and click down here, and you can continue the line if you wish. Or maybe go over here, nice little space here, click there and just again click further up, again with the shift key. But you can also add some variation to this by going over to the brush settings. With the brush settings, go to brush tip shape and down to spacing and just increase that. And you can set it to maybe 100, 200. I'm just going to go with 182. And then simply go over here again, click, hold down the shift, and then click again somewhere else. And now you've got some dotted designs added to that. And again, you can go somewhere else, maybe in between here, click there again, and click there. Again, remember to hold the shift down. And you can repeat that. Now, if you make a mistake, again, you can always undo. Click and shift and then click again. You can also vary the size. Maybe make it 15 and again change the spacing. If you want it closer, just put it to about 130 and then apply again and click there. And you've got obviously now a nice line design there. Or just go here, add another one. Click and then again shift key and then click again. And you've got a nice line design of those slightly closer dots. You can also add colouring, of course. Simply go over here, change the black to blue and apply exactly the same as before. So click and then hold shift down and click again to get blue line designs. Or vary it, make it red or green. Once you're happy with your design, simply go to Edit and down to Define Pattern. Click there and give it a name and click OK. In a new document, go over to Layer and then New Fill Layer and Pattern. Click OK and apply your pattern design. I'm going to select that one and then I can just simply resize it. make it say 20, and you can see your design there. And of course you can also rotate it. So if you decide you want a different angle, just change the rotation here and then click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please check out all the other videos on my channel, Graphic Extras. Thank you much.